Hi, welcome to the Code Conversion application by 3H Data Engineering. This application mainly focuses on converting SQL scripts into PySpark scripts. So, in the first page, we take the JDBC URL of your local machine, and then the driver and the root and password that we'll use to log into your SQL account. So what we use these credentials for is that whenever you upload an SQL file, we first run it, we save it CSV, and we use that as a reference points to compare our PySpark conversions. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you the bulk upload. So let's go ahead and browse files. So these are the 4 files that we've selected. Let's go ahead and select all of them. And then the user can choose to upload an exec command for all of these SQL scripts. So I'll go ahead and do that as well. Okay, so now that we have completed our setup, we also have these actions on the right side. So what these do is simply explain the SQL code that the user uploads. I'll show you one of them. So we have loaded the explanation. We provide a summary, a complexity analysis of the SQL script, the purpose, key components. This will just help you understand it better and quickly. It just breaks down the code into some of the key components as well. So that's for the explanation part. And now that we've completed our setup, uploaded our SQL files along with their respective exec command files. So let's go ahead and click on convert. So what we're doing in the background is, first of all, we're running the SQL script to attain that base CSV, which we'll be using to compare our PySpark output with. So all of these results do stream in. So whichever file is converted first will show up here. Okay, so this was the file that was converted first. As you can see, we do provide a confidence score and the completion percentage is 100. And I'll quickly show you why this percentage is as high as it is. So let's go ahead and click on the compare CSVs. As you can see, both the CSVs are an exact match. Data match has passed. Row count is equal. And then we also list out if there are any mismatches, and there are none in this case. And if you'd like, we do also provide a JSON report of the same. And also these are all the columns from the CSVs. Okay, the top product is also loaded. Again, 100% completion. Compare the CSVs and they are an exact match with no mismatches. Some of these scripts are longer, so it does take a while for the LLM to figure out how to come up with the PySpark script. The reseller script was also converted. Again, the same thing. Both these CSVs are an exact match. This is the entire comparison report again. No mismatches whatsoever. And then I think we have one more left. So in the meantime, while this is still converting, we can go ahead and I'll show you the other options. So we have a like button. You can choose to download this particular file, individual file. Let's take a quick look. And this is the converted PySpark script. We also have a manual edit option. You can just go ahead and make any changes manually if you'd like. And then we also have the option to edit with AI. So let's say you want to understand this code better. So we can ask the AI to come up with helpful comments within the code. And here you go. It's the same code but with helpful comments this time. Okay, so now this final PySpark script has also been converted. As always, we can go ahead and click on compare CSVs to compare two CSVs from the SQL and PySpark. Again, the same as always, there are no mismatches and the data match has passed. And as I said, no mismatches whatsoever. So this has been the code conversion tool by 3x Data Engineering.